Hey guys, welcome to Jaspreet Fitness. This is the first of my monthly video posts about my favorite exercises. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hold the plank. The plank is one of my favorite ab exercises to tighten and tone all of your core muscles. It looks like a simple exercise, but keeping the right form is really important. To start off, get yourself a mat to make sure you don't slip. You're going to prop yourself up using your elbows to your forearms and your toes. Once you're on the mat, you don't want to arch your back up too high because this defeats the purpose of the exercise and will not tighten your core. You also don't want to let your back sink too low to the ground because this will create injury in the long run. A proper plank ensures that you have a straight, steady back. You might even want to start off doing this exercise in front of a mirror so you can watch your form. For beginners, I recommend doing 15-second intervals of 3 sets. As you get more advanced, you can go into 30 seconds to a minute. And that's how you hold a proper plank. Thanks guys!